Hey guys, so me and my daughter Jorah have been raising a monarch caterpillar that we got from Mother Nature's classroom. We watched the caterpillar feed on milkweed leaves, then it spun its silk button and made a J shape, and then spun its chrysalis. And 2 weeks later, we have eclosure. Now this monarch is from what's called the super generation. So this little guy, when we release him, he's going to start his migration all the way south to Mexico. You guys ready to see him go? Sure, if you want to put your finger in front of him, if he wants to crawl on, that's fine. Just don't touch his wings. Nice job, Daddy.
He's fine.
Look at that. Look at that, y'all.
And there he goes
Look at that.
on his journey to Mexico.